Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lavanya chemistry classes. In this session, we can understand the concept of how to balance the following equation, that is redox reaction, by using ion electron method. The equation is like this: the MnO4 minus plus SO2 gives rise Mn plus 2 plus HSO4 minus. This is in acidic medium. We can find out the equation is balanced within acidic medium. Now, the first step in by using balance this equation is we are separate reduction of reaction and what is the oxidation of reaction. In this oxidation of reaction is SO2 to HSO4 minus. Why? It is oxidation of reaction. Because the SO2 sulfur oxidation state is plus 4 in HSO4 minus plus 6. So it can be changed as plus 4 to plus 6. That means the electron can be loses. So the plus 4 to plus 6. So the loss of electrons are called as oxidation, or addition of electrons are also called as oxidation. So SO2 to HSO4 minus is a oxidation of reaction. And another one, reduction of reaction, MnO4 minus and Mn plus 2. Why it is a reduction of reaction? The MnO4 minus, the manganese ion has the oxidation state of permanganate ion is plus 7 and Mn plus 2 is plus 2. So plus 7 to plus 2. The electrons are gaining. Plus 7 to plus 2. So this is a reduction of reaction. Now in the second step we are separate oxidation of reaction and reduction of reactions. In the first step we are balanced except oxygen and hydrogens, and the remaining atoms are balanced. So in this remaining of atoms are sulfur except oxygen and hydrogens. So except oxygen and hydrogens, and the remaining atoms should be balanced. So the sulfur atoms are in oxidation of reaction having the sulfur atoms are balanced. And the next step in oxidation of reaction is balance oxygen atoms. So we can balance oxygen atoms in less number of oxygen side. We are add water molecules. To balance oxygen atoms. So SO2 plus 2H2O. Because we are add 2H2O is the HSO4 minus having 4 oxygen atoms are present. In this side, left side, 2 oxygens are present. So we can balance 2 water molecules should be added to SO2 ion. SO2 plus 2H2O gives rise HSO4 minus. And then next step we are balance hydrogens. In the first step, except oxygen and hydrogens, remaining atoms should be balanced. And the another step we are balance oxygen atoms, we are adding less side water molecules. And the third step is we are balance hydrogen atoms, we are add H plus ions on less number of hydrogen side. We are balancing this side. In this side, less number of hydrogens are HSO4 minus, and in this left side 4 hydrogens are present. So in this side only one hydrogen atom is there. So we should add 3 H plus ions in right side. And the next step we are balance charges. How to balance charges? In these charges, SO2 having charge is 0 and water molecule having charge is 0 and HSO4 minus having charge is minus 1 and 3H plus having plus 3. 0 plus 0 gives rise minus 1 and plus 3. So 0 to plus 2. We are balance charges 0 to plus 2. We are add 2 electrons on plus 2 side. That means HSO4 minus 3H plus 2 electrons. So the charges are 0. So SO2 plus, the equation can be changed to SO2 plus 2H2O gives rise HSO4 minus 3H plus 2 electrons. So this is the balanced equation. Hydrogens and sulfur atoms and hydrogens and oxygen and charges should be balanced. And another side, reduction of reaction. In the reduction of reaction, same as it is, steps are followed on charge balanced. So we should balance except oxygens and hydrogens, and remaining atoms should be balanced, or these are balanced or not. The manganese atoms are balanced, Mn and Mn plus 2. So and the next step, we are balance oxygen atom. We are adding H2O ions by less number of oxygen atoms. So we should add Mn plus 2 side. In this left side, MnO4 minus 4 oxygens are present, and right side no oxygen atoms are present. So in this 4 oxygen atoms are there, in this side no oxygen atoms are there. So we should balance 4 H2O molecules in Mn plus 2. We should add 4 H2O plus ions this side. And the next step, balance hydrogen atoms by adding H plus ions in acidic medium, and OH minus ions are basic medium, and H plus ions on acidic medium. So we should balance with hydrogen atoms by adding H plus ions, MnO4 minus plus 8 H plus gives rise Mn plus 2 plus 4 H2O, because we should add in some 8 H plus ions, because it is 4 hydrogens on right side. So we should add 8 H plus ions on left side. MnO4 minus plus 8 H plus gives rise Mn plus 2 and 4 H2. The manganese atoms, oxygens and hydrogens are balanced. And the next step, we are balance charges. How to balance charges? Now we can balance charges. We should add electrons on less number side. So balance charges, the charges can be, the MnO4 charge can be -1, and H plus ion can be +8, and Mn plus 2 can be +2, and water molecule can be 0. So -1 +8 to +2. So the charge is +7 to +2. So now we can, +7 can be balanced with +2. So we can add 5 electrons on +7 side. That means the 5 electrons on left side. MnO4 plus 8H plus 5 electrons, Mn plus 2 and 4H2. This equation can be 2. And first equation can be like this. In this, we can, charges can be balanced. We should multiply it with both the equation, the first equation with 5 and second equation with 2. So the equations can be turned to 5SO2 plus 10H2O gives rise 5HSO4 minus plus 15H plus and 10 electrons. And then our second equation can be multiplied with the 2 table. So this can be changed to 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10 electrons gives rise 2Mn plus 2 plus 8H2. So the electrons can be cancelled each other, because these are in left side and right side. So these electrons can be cancelled each other. And the next step is, we are addition. This equation, add this equation, 5SO2 plus 2MnO4 plus 16H plus ions, because H plus we can add it 16H plus and 15H plus. So 16 minus 15 gives rise only 1 H plus ion is there. So in this more number side, we can write it H plus and 2H2O plus 5HSO4 minus and 2Mn plus 2. In this 10H2O, in this 8H2O, 10 minus 2, 2H2O. More H2O side we can write on water molecules. So 5SO2 plus 2MnO4 minus plus 5H plus 2H2O gives rise 5HSO4 minus plus 2Mn plus 2. This is the balanced equation. Now this equation is right or wrong? This equation, in these sulfur atoms are 5 sulfur atoms and 2 manganese atoms, and oxygen atoms are 10, 12, 10, 18 and 20 oxygen atoms on left side. In this side 20 oxygen atom and hydrogens are balanced. Now the charges -2 plus 1 -1. In this -5 plus 2 -5 plus -5 and plus 4. So minus is charge. So the charges can be balanced. This equation is correct. So this can be balanced with any acidic medium. Please subscribe and share and comment us.